So official Pixel Experience Plus version based on Android 13 is officially rolling out for many devices with the February security patch. So if your device supports official version, you can get this thing. The motive to make this video is actually to show you that you can use Pixel Experience with some customizations, and that is a very good and great combination. So if you want to use this custom home alongside all those customization, make sure to watch this video till the end. I will talk about how you can get all those customizations and which are the customizations, which are the modifications I am talking about. This is Pixel Experience Plus edition, which is already having few of the features here and there, and as it is a Pixel Experience, which means all the Pixel features are already included. For example, the default thing is Pixel Launcher. Pixel Launcher is a very commonly used launcher, and if you want to change this thing if you're using this custom home and you don't like this launcher, want to change this, you can use any other custom launcher for sure. You can get the Magisk modules on my other channel. Also, the best thing is, or maybe a different thing, is the gaming dashboard. Most of the custom homes are giving you a different kind of game space, but this is giving you all the Pixel features, so which means the default one from Google is included here, which you will get in the Google option. You will not see this in the app section, so keep this thing in your mind. Also, if you move on to the security options, you have the face support, face unlock support, and we have fingerprint unlock support. Both of the options are present, but we don't have the app lock support. So if you need app locker, you can either use a custom launcher which is already having the app locker pre-included, or maybe you can use any other app lock app from the Google Play Store, but I don't use that much. This is what we have. One more thing is, what is the default, which is the default camera. The default camera is a aperture camera as expectedly, and to be very honest, this camera is a very good looking camera. It is far better than SnapCam, which was included in the previous versions of Android 11, 12. With the addition of Android 13, Lineage OS or Pixel Experience, both of these custom homes are giving you this kind of camera pre-installed, this aperture camera pre-installed, which has a support for up to 10x zoom for my device. Photo, video, scan, all these options are present here. I mean, QR code scanner, which is implemented in Android 13, that is already present. Here are the modes which I was talking about earlier. If you want to use a Pixel Experience custom home but you didn't want to use it because of some of the most useful features were not included, you can simply use ASP modes and you will get all those features. Which features I'm talking about, stay tuned. I will talk about all of those because those features are very useful. For example, if you're able to notice, one thing here is the IME space below the keyboard. You can see the pill is there, the space below the keyboard is not there, and this is a very useful thing, must have thing, at least for me, but Pixel Experience doesn't allow you to. With one module, installing ASP modes, you will get all these customizations. You don't need to use any separate extra modules for that. This option is available. The name is keyboard space for gestures, reduce space on the keyboard. Simply enable this option and the IME space below the keyboard will be hidden, and you will not be annoyed with that. For me, that is very annoying, but right now by enabling this option, this is very useful thing. Also, you have the option to simply ignore Windows secure flags option, which is not available by default in this. If you use Pixel OS, if you use any other custom home, most of the custom homes are giving you this feature, but Pixel Experience doesn't allow you to. So for example, if I take screenshot from the buttons, if you are noticing one thing here, I just took the screenshot from my power and volume button, then I was able to get that. But for example, if I take screenshot from three fingers, like three finger swipe, you can see I'm not able to take screenshot in Chrome's incognito mode where screenshot is restricted. But whenever I take screenshot from the volume button and the power button by holding and pressing them, and I will be able to take screenshots. This is a very useful thing where you can simply enable this option by going into miscellaneous, volume down plus power, unrestricted screenshot, which means ignore Windows secure flags. This is a just renamed option, and this is, for me, this is a very useful feature. And as it is not available by default in Pixel Experience, simply install ASP modes and done. Another change, another mode which you can apply on a device by installing Pixel Experience and installing ASP modes is the quick settings theming options, quick settings styles modifications. Most of users maybe don't like that Android 12 or Android 13 style quick settings panel. So if you want to change then you can simply use this thing also by just installing this one module, AOSP Mods. This is a very useful thing, and I've told about this many times in a lot of videos actually. And if you want to install these things, if you want to do all of those modifications, you can do this by installing only one module. So this is a very useful thing. You can apply a lot of theming options. I mean actually tiles customizations, tiles modifications. I like these options, and for me this is a very useful thing. And as I just mentioned, you don't need to do any extra things for that. It also has some icon style options available. For example, these icon style options are available in some custom rooms already by default, as we are using a Pixel Experience custom room. So these options are not available, and you can get this thing from AOSP Mods. All these options are available. Some of the icon pack options are present if you use Iconify, if you use Project Themer, but Iconify will only allow you to enable some of the options. Not every option is present like AOSP Mods, and Project Themer is actually paid, so I don't think so most of the users can afford that. This is a very useful thing. If you're able to notice, my status bar icons are now changing, and even customize that. Signal icons options are also there. And if you watch my previous video on maybe Spark OS, if I remember that, Spark OS is giving the Xperia icon pack in Signal, in status bar signal icons, and this is already present in AOSP Mods. Xperia icon pack is quite good, by the way, and if you have ever used Sony Xperia phones, you already got to know that. By the way, including all those things, let me tell you once again that it only requires to use one module, but the thing is you need to use LSPOS to enable some of the features. So the basic thing is make sure you have LSPOS installed, and LSPOS will not do anything. You need only AOSP Mods, but if you enable LSPOS or if you install LSPOS, then this is a benefit for you, because by installing LSPOS you'll be able to use some other modes too. For example, we have many kind of modes available with LSPOS. I will talk about all of those later on in the next video, but here come some of the features which are already present in Pixel Experience. One thing is, if you move on to the battery options, you don't have the option to see the battery usage from the last 24 hours. You have the option to see the battery usage from the last full charge. For me, this is at least a very useful thing. I've already talked about this later. I will always talk about this thing in my previous videos too. Here are the gestures, quick tap to start actions, a pixel feature, pixel exclusive feature, I think so. It's already present here too. All the pixel features are already present. Some things which you need are already present. This is a very good combination. If you are looking for a custom room for a daily driver, I'm talking about the official versions, and especially Pixel Experience. Maybe Evolution XOS is good too, but you can use Lineage OS, you can use Pixel Experience. Both of these custom rooms are super good, includes OTA update. If you want to install this thing, link is available in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.